Hello students and officers. And new opportunities has came. Has been Edthar Katak Odisha has been given the recruitment notice on 11th May 2020 for the recruitment of the staff nurses. It has given 5. It has the 5 posts in that. The sad thing is no posts are there for the general students. There are posts, 3 posts are there for OBC, 1 post for economic weaker sections, and 1 post per scheduled caste. So age limit is below 30 years. As you know, it is a central government institutions. It has the pay scale level 7. That means you can get 65 to 70,000 salary in that. The qualification is there. You must have passed BSc nursing or GNM nursing, and you must have registration from any of the states in the India. So desirable qualifications: if you have the orthopedic nursing qualification, so it is well and good. But if you don't have that qualification, don't worry, you can apply only. I repeat, only those have that desirable qualification. That means those who have experience in orthopedic nursing, they will get some extra 10% advantage during the final selections. Okay, so you have to pay 500 rupees will be application fee for general and OBC, and 250 rupees for SC/ST categories, which is non-refundable. So you can see that for the written test 80% is there. So 80%, you can imagine, when you are writing, when you are selecting the right answer, you can get, if you select 80%, much advantage is there if you have the adequate knowledge. Only 10% is for desirable qualification and 10% is for desirable experience. Okay, so all the students can apply. You have to download the application form from the SB Nirtar Odisha website, and you have to send it in the director to the director to an address. You have to send by postal. You have to send that applications from. You can get that application from the SB Nirtar website. You have to download it, and you can send it in the director uh, Swami Vivekananda National Institute of Rehabilitation Training Center Research, Walatpur, Post Bairoi, Dist Katak, Odisha, pin 750410. Within 16 days, within 60 days, it should reach in the in that institution, so it will be calculated as valid. Thank you. For more information, and if you want to more recruitment news like that, you have to share, like, and subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get instant notification at your mobile. Get touch with us. Keep touch with us. Thank you. Signing out. Nursing Dew.